Here we are, Simon Edgoose again on the Yamaha stand. Got a new kit to show you. So this is the DTX 522. This is a new mid-range kit, and as you can see, new module. And we've got some new rubber pads. They might look like the old rubber pads, but they're actually, I don't know if you can catch that on the camera, they actually float. So they're much softer and they're much more sensitive, so you can go down much quieter without there being any problem. Now, 522 comes with the small 10-inch cymbal, which again is 3-zone, and the larger 13, which is 3-zone, but also you can also play when you are choking it. So if you grab the edge, you can also play on top, so you actually get 4 different sounds out of the cymbals. The hi-hat is also 3-zone, so you've got bell for the first time on electronic kits, on a Yamaha electronic kit, bow and edge. Now, the module is 691 different sounds, 50 user kits, 50 preset kits, but you can layer any of the 691 different sounds. So you've actually got 450,000 combinations of sounds, should you want it. That's enough to keep you going for the weekend, I think. But you can also do something else. You can also load in your own sounds via a cable, which I haven't got here. You can put your own sounds into it. You can also put MIDI data into it. There's also, if you come around the back of the module, you can see there's a gap here. Now, let's try something very clever and run up in that direction, and I will show you something. Run. That is because you can mount it on a hi-hat stand. There we go. You can mount it on a hi-hat stand using a standard Yamaha CSAT 924 clamp. Why do you want to do that? Well, you can make it so it works with hybrid drum kits. Hybrid drum kits, a mixture of acoustic and electronic, and this is the first module which is designed specifically for hybrid and electronic kits. All right, so let's go back this way. Okay, so you can mount it off a stand. You can mount it on a rack in the usual way. There's a USB cable in the back, or USB socket in the back for connecting to your computer or your iOS device. So if you have an iPad, you can transfer samples and MIDI data. Snare pad is 3-zone. It's a silicon head, so very comfortable to play. And I think that's it for the 522 at the moment. There's a lot more. There's new songs, there's new kits, but let's go on to the one at the other end. And I'm here already. Amazing. Right, okay, so this is the 562. This is the top of the range 500 series. As you can see, it comes with the silicon tom pads as well. So we've got silicon single-zone tom pads. Very comfortable to play, very quiet. You can also add on 4 more mono pads onto the whole kit if you're using a Y cable into the back, so you can add on more pads if you want to, just like the kit which is next door, this one here. That's an expanded kit. But also, as you see here, we have an acoustic snare drum with a trigger on it. If you attach triggers to your drums, you can plug straight into the back of the module, and every time you hit your acoustic drums, you can trigger sounds or samples from the DTX 502 module. Also on the 562 kit, we have 2 13-inch cymbals, both 3-zone, both with the bell, bow, edge and choke, and just a 2-zone hi-hat on this one. But you do get the full range hi-hat stand, and that is the 562. As you can see, 502 module, very, very powerful. You can do loads with it. Loads of sounds, 691 sounds, 450,000 combinations, new songs, shed loads more. Thank you very much. Brilliant.